Stop right there. Don't skip this video. Just think for a second. How many times have you tried to speak English and failed?
Honestly, a lot of times. I knew what to say, but I just couldn't speak.
Exactly. Words are in your mind, but they don't come out. Has that happened to you?
Yes, many times. I feel nervous and then I just stay silent.
And that silence slowly kills your confidence.
True. After that, I don't even feel like trying again.
That's the real problem. Not mistakes, but giving up.
So today we're going to talk about how not to give up, right?
Exactly. Today's conversation is not just about English. It's about confidence, fear, and mindset.
And if someone is watching this and feeling stuck, this will really help them.
Yes, so stay till the end because this might change the way you think about English learning. Let me ask you honestly, have you ever thought, English is not for me?
Yes, I have. Many times I felt like I am not improving at all.
What made you feel like that?
Whenever I spoke, I made mistakes. People corrected me, sometimes laughed, and I lost confidence.
That hurts. But tell me, when you stopped trying, did things improve?
No, they got worse. I felt even more stuck.
Exactly. Not trying is more dangerous than making mistakes.
That's a strong point.
Let me ask everyone watching, have you ever stopped speaking English because of fear? Comment yes or no.
I think fear comes from overthinking.
Correct. What do you usually think?
I think, what if I say something wrong?
And that thought stops you.
Yes,
Here's the truth. You will say something wrong. Everyone does.
even fluent speakers?
Yes, even they make mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Good, because you don't need perfection, you need communication.
That changes perspective.
Let me ask, do you try to speak perfect English or simple English? Comment perfect or simple,
I always tried perfect English.
and not created pressure.
Yes, a lot of pressure.
From today, speak simple English.
Like basic sentences?
Yes, for example, I am learning English.
That feels easy.
Exactly, simple is powerful. Quick reminder, if you are learning something from this video, like and subscribe for more real English conversations.
So, what should someone do daily to improve?
Practice daily, even 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, but consistent.
What kind of practice?
Speaking, listening, and repeating.
Let's talk about speaking first.
Talk to yourself.
Many people feel shy doing that.
It feels strange, but it works.
What should we say?
Describe your day. I woke up early. I had breakfast.
That's simple.
Yes, and effective.
What about listening?
Listen daily, even if you don't understand everything.
That happens with me a lot.
That's normal.
And repeating?
Repeat sentences loudly.
That improves fluency.
Exactly. Let me ask viewers, do you practice daily? Comment daily or sometimes.
I used to practice sometimes.
That slows progress.
Yes,
Consistency is the key.
I understand now.
Let's talk about confidence.
Yes, that's important.
Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
So, we should start speaking first.
Exactly.
That removes fear.
Yes. Second reminder, if this video is helping you, don't forget to like and subscribe.
What about people who understand English but can't speak?
They don't practice speaking.
So, speaking is necessary.
Yes.
What about grammar?
Don't focus too much in the beginning.
That reduces pressure.
Exactly. Let's learn some sentences.
Okay.
I am not afraid to speak.
I will try again. I am improving every day. I will not give up.
Repeat daily.
That feels motivating.
Because mindset matters.
Did you ever feel like quitting?
Yes, but I remembered my goal.
That's important.
Let me ask, why are you learning English? Comment your reason.
That will motivate people.
Yes.
What is the biggest mistake learners make?
Waiting for the perfect time.
And there is no perfect time.
Exactly.
Start now.
Yes.
Even with one sentence.
Correct. Let's practice together.
Okay.
Say this.
I am learning English. I speak every day. I am not afraid. I will improve.
Very good.
This feels powerful.
Because you are taking action.
Action creates confidence.
Exactly. Before you go, I have a question. Have you ever thought of giving up on English? What stopped you? Comment below. I read every comment.
And tell us your biggest problem in English.
Don't give up. Start today. Practice daily. Like, share, and subscribe for more real English conversations.